Here's how to use eye tracking on your iPhone. Now, let's first just head into the settings here on your iPhone. I'm on an iPhone 16 Pro, but you can do this on older iPhones or any iPhone. Now, on here, if you've updated to the latest operating system, you'll see under accessibility is eye tracking. So tap on accessibility here. And then you can see if you scroll down the option for eye tracking. Just tap on that. Now, there are a couple different things on here. You can see smoothing. This will make things basically more smooth or responsive, depending on your specific preference on when you're moving your eyes around. You can control this depending on your preference after you set it up. You can choose snap to item. This means basically if you're looking close to an item, it will snap to that specific item. You can zoom in on keyboard keys, you can auto hide, and dwell control allows you, if you just stare at something, it will either toggle it on or act as if you're tapping on it. Now, to turn it on, all you need to do is toggle on eye tracking at the very top, and you'll be able to see it counts down and it says follow the dot with your eye. So all you're going to do is follow the dot. I'm not going to go through the steps because it's a fairly long process, but just follow the dot as it moves around the screen and it will pick up where your eye is looking on the phone. Now, after you've done that, essentially all you need to do is look at specific parts of your phone and it should do a really good job tracking exactly what you're looking at. Now, if you have dwell control turned on, you can just stare at it and it'll have a little 3, 2, 1 counter and then it will tap on it. Or you can also just blink a lot of times and it will just basically click it just by blinking on it. And you can toggle things on or off and completely control your iPhone just using your eyes.